What's up everyone? Today is our first full day in London and we slept half of it away.
It's almost 1 o'clock now.
Yeah, it is. It's 12:52. We have not left the hotel yet and we're getting ready and packing up everything, and it's raining. So we have to wear our rain gear for our first day in London, but hopefully the weather's right. The rest of the week is no rain. Getting colder, but no rain. I'm really excited because tomorrow's going to be probably the clearest day, and we already have our tickets to go see some great views. So hopefully we'll actually get good views from the sunshine.
Fingers crossed.
So today our plan is to go out of here and walk to the British Museum and might see some things along the way. So we might take some pit stops, go to the British Museum, then maybe go to Harry Potter's Platform 9 3/4, and then we will go and check out Piccadilly Circus and Kingly Court, probably eat dinner around there if timing works out, and get to see everything hopefully in daylight and at nighttime. But the sun sets in about 3 hours, so probably won't see everything in daylight. But if it looks cool and we want to go back in daylight, we can always go back a different day. While we are waiting for Nicholas to get ready, we'll give a little room tour.
Waiting for me to get ready, I'm done.
Okay, so you walk in, there's a nice big mirror. Here's the bathroom. Bathroom has a ginormous tub. Wow, ice bucket in there. And a shower. Nice space on the sink. And then here is our room. Giant closet too, which is very nice. Oh, it came with this guy. And then there's an atrium out here, so there's other rooms. Down here you can see a nice seated area. And then out the window, there's Big Ben, you can see him. He is right there. This is the life of London in the rain. There's the London Eye. There it is, the British Museum. First thoughts of the British Museum from the outside.
Big.
Big. Big and pretty. This place is a great idea for a rainy day or something free to do in London, because it is giant, it's beautiful, and they just ask you for a donation, so there's not like all the other museums that cost like 20 pounds. Apparently the Rosetta Stone is here, so we're going to try to go find that first.
First thing to go see.
Yeah.
The only thing that I knew was here.
We'll have to wander around and see what else is here. This thing is giant. Oh my goodness. How do people do this? I don't know. It's so cool.
Oh,
look at this.
Wow. Gotta eat the snacks.
I'm gonna look at the pictures. There are so many cool artifacts, little things, and big things. Look at all these little things though. I mean, this whole place is filled with stuff like this, and it's giant.
I think we've seen like maybe 1/50th of the place.
Yeah. There's a real dead person here.
We are kind of lost. Where to go next?
Alright, so we just finished up in the museum. It was so cool. Definitely recommend it, but it's huge. You could spend all day and multiple days in there if you wanted to. We just spent like 2 hours in there. We will insert some B-roll here. So I hope you guys liked that little b-roll, and we are going to go check out some more things around town. It is getting a little dark. We'll still get cool pictures and video in the dark as well. And it's still raining, so we're not gonna vlog too much as we're walking, but we'll see you in our next place. Bye! How excited are you to go inside this library?
So excited. Too excited.
How excited am I to go in this library? Kind of excited actually. Not for the books, but it is ginormous. Luckily it basically stopped raining, just a little drizzle here and there, so hopefully when we get out we can walk without our umbrella. So let's check what's inside. This is where Harry Potter was.
We're going to Hogwarts to see Harry.
Harry Potter?
Harry Potter.
It does not look like this in Harry Potter, that's for sure. But this is so cool.
Now.
Mine is not.
That was awesome. That's why we didn't wait too long. Time for dinner?
That was nice. I offered to wait.
She did. Time for dinner now? I think we're gonna eat at this place called Skinner Farms.
Alright, let's check it out. No tables.
No tables. Looks like they're leaving.
It looks like he's getting out.
We found a table. Thank goodness. It's very crowded, which that's typically a good thing.
So the Skinner's Arm, 2 thumbs up. So delicious. I had the lamb burger. He had fish and chips, which is the local thing to eat here.
Fish and chips are good.
Yes, everything was really good. Everyone was nice inside and it was poppin'. Like there were so many really local people there. So it was cool to be in an atmosphere of local people and feel like we're in with the crowd. Whoa, windy. Things that we learned in London so far. We walk way slower than the average human here. It doesn't matter what day of the week it is. You better drink. And what else have we learned? 3, not many dogs here at all. And, oh, I know what number 4 was. That people will drink outside even when it's cold out and windy. They're still drinking outside of the bar. Number 5 is that pedestrians are not first here and that you better watch everywhere around you for cars because they will run you over.
Number 6 is lots of bikers.
Yeah.
Even when it's cold and rainy.
Oh, and number 7, a lot of stores are actually the same here, which is pretty cool. I mean, they have a lot of unique places, don't get me wrong. All the places here look really cool, but there are also a lot of the same stores and chain restaurants. If you need to go shopping, Regent Street has all of the high-end name brand stores that everyone loves. There are so many cool stores here.
Going to a secret place, Ice Bar London. Hopefully we can get in and the wait's not too long, but it's right down there.
We just got out of Ice Bar. It was really cool in there. I don't know if it was worth the money or not. It's kind of expensive and I don't know, one drink's included, but it was definitely cool. It's something I wanted to do, so I'm glad we did it. But I'm sure it gets more crowded too. I'm thankful that it wasn't that crowded because it kind of gave it more of the experience to be able to walk around and see everything. Now we are going to try to take some pictures around here, maybe see Kingling Court and Piccadilly Circus, and then probably go home because it's almost 8 o'clock already. We made it to Piccadilly Circus! Look how cool this place is. This is like Times Square wannabe. So many cool buildings. There's Nicholas. Hi!
Okay, we left Piccadilly Circus. Now Danielle and I are walking home. Danielle and I are both freezing. She's more freezing than I am. But a long night ahead of us. Still have to edit all of this footage. And then, what else are we doing tonight? Take some more pictures on the way home. But it's been a full, fun day.
We are waiting for Nicholas to take a picture of a fountain. And I am cold. And I want to go home, but he wants a picture of the fountain. Who here wants to see a picture of a fountain? Raise your hand. That's what I thought. Good idea, people. Let's go home. Who can do that? At least I got this lion friend here. I look like a mushroom head. The good thing about London is it's very safe. I haven't felt unsafe here. So A+ to London for safety.
Well, we finished shooting everything we wanted to, so now it's time to head back to the hotel and get some sleep.
Good night from London.